Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Today we've got a quick double unboxing. So these are the purchases I got from the recent AliExpress 11/11 sale. I've got two of them have arrived. So let's have a look at these two. Now I'll put a link to the video I did for these in the corner. I did one where I looked at it, and then I had real fun doing another one where you guys left comments about what you were buying, and I did a video on that as well. So there's another sale coming up next week. I think it's Black Friday, isn't it? Of course it is. So I'm going to do another video, and it'll be great if you leave a comment on that. Tell me what you're getting, and we'll take a look at them as well. So this is the first one. Oh, wrong way around. Pagani design. First Pagani design on the channel. Oh, struggling to get the lid off. Oh, and there we go. Right. Oh, and this was the one that came with the free NATO, and I forgot that when I ordered it. So, NATO strap. I don't think you'll be too shocked by the actual watch it is. And of course, it is the Speedy homage. Very nice indeed. 42mm diameter sapphire VK63 movement, I believe. So that is really nice. This is the V3 version as well. That's what I went for. I think this was one that Alex was talking about in the comments, actually. That's not Artemis on the back, is it? Looks similar. Or is it the space shuttle? I can't work that out. It's the space shuttle looking at it, actually. And there we go. It's a pretty classic look, obviously. With some nice blue AR on there as well. Sapphire on that nice sticker. I'm looking forward to wearing this one. I'm out at the weekend, so I think this will be the one that I'm wearing when I go out. I haven't got a watch on at the moment. Let's just try it on without peeling all the stickers off. Nice milled clasp. Oh, that clicks nice. And there you go. Try not to reflect off the sea then. Really nice. The V3 is the one with the white hands. Now there is a V4 as well that come in a couple of different colours. I'll leave links to both of these watches in the description anyway. But that was the first one that I got. Oh, that feels really nice, you know. Really like the feel of that one on the wrist. I'll peel all the stickers off later. That feels a bit quality, that is. I can see why people talk about Pagani a lot, just from the initial impression on that one. And as I say, it came with a cloth and a Bond NATO as well. I think I'd leave it on the bracelet, actually. I think it looks really class on the bracelet. Yeah, I think I'll leave that on the bracelet. Right, let's put that one to one side. Let's get the second one. Oh, it's a bag with inside a bag. And as you can see on the top there, SteelDive. Lovely little presentation case, isn't it? So of course it was the SteelDive 1970. Yeah, 1970, get it right. A Captain Willard homage. Now I did a video on a Captain Willard homage recently on the Foxbox one, so I'll put a link to that in the corner as well. Oh, well. Okay, well, we got a braces adjustment tool, warranty card not signed, instructions. I love the box on this, that's really nice. Wonder how much we pay for the packaging on that. Not particularly environmentally friendly, I don't think, but oh. And here we go. Again, this is well wrapped, isn't it? Can't moan that they've not sent that over. They were really quick as well, so I ordered these. I think one of them was on 15-day delivery, the Pagani was. And they both arrived at the same time, actually. Oh, a bit of foam in there as well in between, stop the bracelet hitting. So this is a 44mm in width. NH35 movement. Okay, let's just see if I can get that off. again, wrapped really nicely. It can take me about 10 minutes. I'm not going to do a unwrapping and then speed it up. Wow, is it a ceramic? I think it's a ceramic bezel insert as well. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. That is really smooth. That's a nice action on that. Really nice action on that. Okay, yeah, nice bracelet. Again, just so well wrapped. I'm not going to try and take all this off and speed it up, just because it's going to take me about an hour to get all the wrapping off it, and you'll all log out by the time I sped it up anyway, because I'm learning that's what people do if you do that. That'll cut my retention time down, and it doesn't help the channel, so I'm going to try and just see if I can put it on my wrist for you. I might give in already. Yeah, do you know what? I'm going to give in and leave it for the review. But that's the two watches that I got. I'm really pleased with those. I'm really, really pleased with those. What have I done with the Pagani? Oh, it's over here. So that's what I went with in the end. As you can see, they're both very similar looking, but I do like a black watch. Looks really good. Both of them look really good. I'm really pleased with them. Anyway, I'll be doing another video next week, so leave a comment on this video if you want, and let me know what you're looking for in next week's sale. I think you can put things in the basket from the 22nd to get them at the lower price from the 24th. So if you've got any ideas what you're going for, drop them in the comments below. I'll have a look at them as well and add them into the video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you soon. Bye.